Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. My name is Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it's my absolute pleasure welcoming you here today. We are based in Elementor today, guys, and the reason why we are here is to discuss how do we type on a path, okay, or write text on the path. A very simple request that gets asked to me a lot, and I want to make it a lot more clearer for you today, okay? Now, what we need to do is find our text path widget. So I'm going to come to the search engines here like so, and I'm going to type here and let's say text path. And as you can see, it's come up. So what I'm going to do now is simply click and drag the widget into the place where I want it. And there we have it. So what I'm going to do now is, let's say we're going to come and type in photography portfolio. Okay, what we need to do is let's align that to the center there. Okay, now doesn't necessarily have to stick with that particular path here. We go to style, we've got the size that we can manipulate. Okay, we have the rotation if we want to rotate it. Okay, but as you can see here, we have path type. If we now change the type of the path, we can rotate this, anything that we want to do, dependent upon what kind of path we want to create. I quite like wave. Let's say I think it looks well with the mountains down below. And let's say, for instance, now I wanted to change the typography. So I want to come here. Let's change this to Helvetica, let's say, perfect. And we got the color here. We may want to make this into a nice sort of bluey color to match the mountains below, like so. And that is how you type on a path, guys, within Elementor. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, please visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Check out our Instagram as well at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Take care, guys. Thank you very much, and see you next time.